Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, medium transport aircraft procurement. An update. IAF is in the process of conducting a comprehensive evaluation to determine the requirements for the procurement of medium transport aircraft numbered 80 to 100 that will serve as replacements for the aging fleet of over 100 Soviet era and 32 transporters. These replacements are expected to enter service from 2030 onwards. Next, satellite connectivity for Heron UAVs, ditching plans for weaponization. In a strategic shift, India has decided to forego plans to arm its fleet of Israeli Heron unmanned aerial vehicles and will instead focus on enhancing their communication capabilities by integrating satellite connectivity. This shift in approach is aimed at improving the endurance and overall functionality of these UAVs. Next, content for MRSAM program in anticipation of major IAF orders. BEL, a key player in India's defense sector, is preparing to enhance the localization content for the Indo-Israeli Medium-Range Surface-to-Air Missile, that is MRSAM program. This move is driven by expectations of substantial orders from the Indian Air Force, which is planning to procure 9 MRSAM squadrons comprising a total of 2,000 Barak 8 missiles next year. Next, deal signed with Airbus for maintenance, repair and overall services for A320. In a significant development, HAL and Airbus have formalized an agreement to establish state-of-the-art maintenance, repair and overall facilities for the A320 family of aircraft. This collaboration aims to bolster the Make in India initiative, promoting self-reliance in the aircraft maintenance sector. Next, getting e-air taxis by 2026. Just 90-minute car trip to take 7 minutes. Wow. Interglobe Enterprises, which backs India's top airline Indigo and US-based Archer Aviation, will launch an all-electric air taxi services in India in 2026. That will be the cost competitive with on-road services, the company said Thursday. Next, Russia wants Mi-35 engines back from Pakistan, which they had supplied. Russia's ongoing conflict with Ukraine has exposed a significant shortage of arms and ammunition, prompting unprecedented measures by Moscow. In a surprising turn of events, Russia has reached out to various countries including Pakistan, in a bid to secure helicopter engines for its military operations. This article delves into the details of Russia's unexpected request and the implications for its ongoing war in Ukraine. Next, high-power microwave technology to counter drone swarms. Recent conflicts in the region have witnessed the evolution of drone swarms as a potent threat, prompting India to adapt and innovate in its defense strategy. The Defense Research and Development Organization is at the forefront of these efforts, aiming to develop a high-power microwave system to counter the growing menace of drone swarms. Next, India to ink deal for 31 MQ-9B UAVs by Feb 2024. In a significant development, India is nearing the finalization of deal to procure 31 MQ-9B unmanned aerial vehicles from the United States. This deal holds immense strategic importance for India's defense capabilities and is expected to be concluded by February 2024. Thank you.